Today we are going to see about program and process. First of all, what is program? A program is set of instructions. Suppose let us consider that you are coding in some particular language. Here the language that I considered is C++. Now in this program the statement hello is being printed with the help of C++ language. Now you will save this file in .cpp format. This is saved in hard disk. This is program itself. Now when you compile it in Windows, it will be turned into .exe format, whereas in Ubuntu it will be turned into a.out format. Both of them also reside on the disk. They are also programs itself. So this .exe file is binary program, that is machine level code. This is human understandable language. When you compile it, it is turned into machine understandable language, that is binary 0 and 1. So when you run this executable file, it is loaded into RAM and then it starts running. Then it becomes process. That is, when an executable file is run, it is loaded into RAM, then it becomes process. I hope you understood the turning of program into a process. So this is the main difference between the program and process. Now we will see the structure of a process. This is the structure of a process. A process has the following components: stack, heap, text or code, and data. Coming from the bottom, data. This stores static and global variables. In our programs we use static and global variables, right? So those are stored in this data part. Text or code is nothing but set of instructions that we write in our program. Next, stack and heap. So these both vary, like they are not constant. There is no fixed storage for them. Based on the usage and demand, they may shrink or increase. So in stack we manage function calls and their local variables are also stored. Whereas in heap, for dynamically allocated memory we use heap. Like malloc and calloc we use now in C programming. In C++ we use new and delete. They are dynamically allocated memory. They are present in heap. Okay, I hope you understood till now. Now we'll see this illustration. It is to understand more clearly. Now let us consider a C program in Ubuntu here, because a.out. So program.c is the name of the file. Now when you compile it, it is turned into a.out format. This also resides in secondary memory only. It is passive. Now when you execute it, that is running this, it is loaded into RAM. This is the responsibility of operating system. When it is loaded into RAM, it becomes an active entity, that is process. So in this way, program is turned into a process. I hope you understand it. Now we'll see the differences between program and process. A program is a set of instructions. As I have said, you'll write code. In that code you give set of instructions, that is program. You'll save it in hard disk. So it is stored in a disk. It has a longer lifespan. As long as you don't delete it manually, it resides on the disk. So it has longer lifespan. Whereas process, after completion of execution, it ends. So it has limited lifespan. It is a passive entity. It is an active entity. Program does not have any control block. Process has its own control block which stores all the data required. It may require program counters, CPU, registers, etc. That we'll see in the next videos. So it has its own control block which is known as process control block. I hope in this video, through this video, you understood what is program, what is process, what is clear difference between program and process. Thank you.